Panasonic Lumix G100, a standout contender for the best budget mirrorless vlogging camera of 2024. The Lumix G100 appeals to vloggers and creatives who appreciate simple, high-quality video and photo capture with an intuitive button layout. Even those unversed in the technical aspects of videography can achieve stunning results with this camera. The G100's strategic design includes an impressive viewfinder and ergonomic structure, giving it a competitive edge in an increasingly crowded market. Its MTF lens mount provides access to an extensive range of quality, affordable lenses, offering a significant advantage over smartphones and pocket cameras. At its core, the G100 boasts a 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor capable of recording superior 4K 30p video. It also offers full HD video at up to 120 frames per second for dramatic slow-motion sequences. Panasonic has conveniently placed all frame rate options, including up to 8K high-speed video modes, on the S&K position on the camera mode dials. Time-lapse and stop-motion sequences can be created directly in-camera using intervalometer settings, ideal for dynamic B-roll footage. When compared with the compatible lens, the G100 features a 5-axis hybrid IS. This essentially means the camera uses a mix of optical image stabilization in certain lenses and electronic image stabilization in the camera itself. However, when shooting in 4K, the G100 is limited to 4-axis stabilization. In video selfie mode, which activates when the LCD screen is turned towards the user, the camera automatically increases the depth of field to keep both your face and the background in focus. The G100's intelligent facial recognition and tracking algorithms consistently identify and lock onto faces, making it a favorite among vloggers. One of the G100's unique selling points is its dedicated sharing button, designed for seamless connectivity with smartphones or tablets. This feature, combined with its compact size, about half of that Lumix GH5, makes it one of the smallest interchangeable lens cameras with a fully articulated touchscreen LCD currently available. The 12-32mm kit lens provides a modest yet useful focal range equivalent to 24-64mm, maintaining its compactness. As the first Lumix camera specifically designed for vloggers, the G100 is an impressive offering. It's compact and delivers high-quality photos and videos across various scenarios, making it perfect for travel and home studio presentation.